Hi, my name is Mayra Alejandra Lazo Cruz. I am 31 years old. I am a preschool teacher. I love my profession, and in the future, I want to have a bilingual preschool. I am married and have a child. My learning process is long. I did not like English very much in my childhood or young. The teachers I have were not very creative or didactic, so there was not much interest from me or my classmates. It was only a few years ago that I have to teach English to children that was born that pressure to teach English. I consider that my strengths are the desire to learn, teach children a foreign language, and the vocation for teaching. So I joined the university together to do a degree, but I feel that my process is long because I do not dedicate the necessary time. I also think that to speak English, we must learn many rules and vocabulary, which I think I will go crazy. Sometimes I feel that I will not be able to, but I regain strength and try to change my way of thinking. Now, I understand that I must work hard to fulfill my dreams or become an excellent English teacher. Thank you. Bye bye.